Hello, career champions, and welcome to my top 10 career secrets. Let me start with a congratulation and a thumbs up. And you maybe ask yourself, what is that now about? To see you here shows me that you decided to improve your career options and you are investing in yourself, which is the best investment you can make. Seriously, because you are your best resource. You really are. My name is Udo Newman. I'm the founder and Chief Experience Officer here at UN1010.com. As a global executive, I've developed hundreds of people over the last 25 years. And it became my passion to help people like you in their career development. Because of my passion, I founded UN1010.com, a coaching and consulting brand to help you and others with coaching, online courses, and a modern focus on career planning. Everything we do has the focus to help our clients to succeed. Hey, it is less important who I am and what I have accomplished. What matters to me is how I can help you with your career development goals. So let's cut this intro short. You will find me on LinkedIn. You can read on UN1010.com our client testimonials. And because that is really what drives me. Happy customers, happy clients. So here is a question for you. Most people have this question in their minds when they think about a career. What do you need to make a career? What is missing to get a promotion? For some people, it is education or skills, as they hope it will drive it over time, and often they stuck. I know from my experience that it's much more, and I will share in my 10 most important secrets exactly these topics. Before we get there, I want to challenge you about the most important first step. It is the foundation for a successful career. You won't reach your potential without this foundation in place. It's not difficult and it costs you no money. But it is very important, and without it, nothing will change. Yes, I maybe sound a little bit harsh, but acknowledging and understanding the crucial first step is necessary. Believe me, I saw too many great people with potential not making a career because of that missing foundation. So, why not let's build this foundation now together? Ready? You are accountable for your career and nobody else. So stop looking back and start looking forward, as you can't change the past, but you can change your future. Was it too fast? Let me repeat it again, as it is key for success. You are accountable for your career and nobody else. Not your boss, not top management, not your parents, not your partner, and not any friend. It's you and only you. So, no excuses, no finger pointing. Accept the truth and use it in your advantage. It is simple, but a very significant first step of being successful. The next time you look into a mirror, tell yourself, it's me and I take responsibility for my career and for the next steps. Here comes the good news. If you are accountable, and you are, you can take control, influence, and change your status quo. And I will help you and teach you how to do so. There's so much more to a career than being qualified, skilled, and waiting for a promotion. Developing your career is a journey that takes a lot of willingness, planning, execution, replanning, and some secrets to get ahead of the pack. Planning and developing a career is more a marathon than a sprint, but hey, it is worth every training session. I hope I did not shock you now, but my role is to prepare you to succeed and not to sugarcoat you. Thank you for building this foundation together. Now you're ready for my 10 secrets. Looking forward to see you in the next lesson. Invest in yourself. I see you. Bye.